so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight weekends on your mini calendar. So let's say you have a mini calendar that looks similar to this, and you want to highlight all the Saturdays and Sundays to visually show the weekends. What you're going to do is select the entire range of cells you want to apply this conditional formatting to. So I'm selecting all of the rows within my mini calendar. I'm going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting, which is basically just allowing me to create a formatting rule based off of a condition. So saying, hey, as long as these are dates or weekends, we're going to highlight them. So once you get to this part where we're making a new rule, what you want to do is under Format Rules, we're going to click on the arrow or the drop down, and we're going to select Custom Formula Is. And so we're going to do equals weekday. Then we're going to do left bracket. Then we want to reference the very first cell in your mini calendar. For mine, it is B5, so I'm going to put in B5. Then I'm going to do comma 2, right bracket, and then I'm going to say greater than 5. As you can see, it's only highlighting the Saturdays and the Sundays. And that's because when Google Sheets, when they're thinking about weekdays, Monday is 1, Friday is 5, and then Saturday, Sunday is 6 and 7. So it's just basically saying, hey, if it's a weekday, or sorry, if the number of the day is greater than 5, because Saturday is 6 and Sunday is 7, it will highlight those specific ones. So now we can choose the colors of however we want. Maybe you want to do like a light yellow. You might want to bold it. You can italicize it. You can customize it however you want. When you're ready, click on Done. Close your little sidebar, and there you go. So anytime it is, let me just choose a different month. Anytime it is weekend, it will automatically highlight, even if you are doing a Sunday or a Monday start. So if I chose Monday, you can see it automatically highlights the Saturdays and Sundays. So that's how you do it. I will copy and paste the formula below so you can easily copy it and use it. Now, if you want to create a bill calendar similar to this one, I show you how to create a very simple bill calendar in my free workshop, or you can purchase this template if you want to purchase a template, but I'll link it below. It's the bill calendar workshop. It is super fun. So if you want to learn how to create a simple version where you add bills and it automatically, hold on, let me zoom out a bit. We're kind of zoomed in too much. Let me just change this back to November so that way we can see the actual things. November 1st, there we go. So it pulls in the actual names and amounts of your bill calendar. If you want to learn how to do that, you can check out my free workshop. Otherwise, you can actually buy this exact template as well in the VIP pass. Let me know if you have any questions about this at all. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be adding new videos each week. So I'll see you there. Thank you so much. Bye.